goddess of wealth. Paisa. Saraswati, Durga, Lakshmi, Gayatri. Lakshmi.
Wow. Hi dear little friend. Today you played Little Chanakya. Yes?
Yes!
You enjoyed it?
Yes! It was a spectacular game.
You learned anything?
Yes.
What?
How to do business.
Now I will ask you a few questions so we can see what you learned through this game, okay? Before starting game, did you plan your dreams or goals?
Yes.
So what was your dream?
I wanted to become a photographer. My dream was to become a soldier. To become an Air Force officer.
Who will help you in achieving your dreams or goals?
My father. My friend. My coach.
Your teacher?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. And what about your parents?
Of course they will help me.
How they will help you?
They will encourage us.
Huh?
They will tell that we can do it.
Yes.
They will send me to different classes to learn.
So for them to send you to college, school, classes, what they will require?
Money.
Money. So what is money? First tell me, what is money?
Rokda.
Rokda. And?
Money is everything. Currency. Currency.
But what is the currency?
Rupees. Rupees.
How it helps?
For exchanging things. And buying things. And for business.
And?
Investment.
For investment?
And for making our homes and things. Savings. Savings.
Very
for
good.
each and every task. For building property.
So it means if you want to buy or sell anything, you need money. To exchange the product or service.
Yes.
Okay? How you can earn money? What are the different ways by which you can earn money? Yes.
By doing hard work and doing our job and business.
Wow.
Also you can earn money by investments and other side businesses. By mental work also. By playing cricket.
What is the salary?
Salary is something which you earn. Whatever you get monthly after doing that work is your salary.
Very good. What is passive income?
Passive income is something that you earn by not by physical work but just by rents or property or other investments. We can be a film star and do any work without hard work.
Wow.
Passive income is the amount which we earn by thinking mentally and by using your knowledge other than working physically hard. But without doing hard work, the money which we earn by investments and by property which we earn money, that is passive income.
Now, what are the expenses?
Expenses is the amount which we need to use for our own selves. Like for clothes, our house, for our children, the food we eat. Our expenses are called like making furniture and buying things for our child.
What is meant by balance sheet?
Balance sheet keeps a record of your expenses and your income, how much you get and how much you are spending, and your passive income and what extra side businesses you are doing. It keeps a record of everything.
Very good.
Balance sheet is they keep us amount which we deposit or remove from the bank, and balance sheet is something about your financial status.
Tell me what are assets?
Assets are sources of money, from where you get money. For example, property, business, shares and etc.
Okay. Tell me what is liability?
Liabilities is the amount you need to give to someone for your expenses. Like for taking a loan or credit, loans and credits are liabilities. In liabilities, it means that place where you spend money. For example, loan or credit card.
From this game, you learn many things about finance, money, assets, liabilities, expenses, and all that things. Now tell me, what is financial freedom?
Financial freedom is the time when you don't need to work and you have enough money to take care of your expenses.
Very good. Now, hey Chotu, you tell me, what is financial freedom? Hmm?
We don't have to work for money.
Wow.
The art of making money.
Tell me how bank works. What is the function of bank?
People deposit to the bank and the bank give them to the businessman, and the businessman works hard and he pays more and more interest. Then the people get more and more interest.
Wow. How you will implement this game in your actual life?
When you make money work for you, you may be earning money monthly with your salary, but also on the side you need a source from where you get passive income. So your passive income also comes. We learned that, but side by side you should do many other businesses also. So by chance, if that business gets shut down, we can do many other things.
So you learn many things from this game, okay?
Yes.
How you will help your parents?
We will first know the cause or from the source where they get their money, and then we will lessen our demands or unnecessary things which we use, and then we will tell them how to multiply the income by investments and savings.
Great. Wow.